Welcome. We are going to look at the miles kilometer converter as it was on the blog. Last time we looked at the program to convert kilometers to miles. So this is it here. I've pasted it up here. So first of all, you print a heading, and then we had these stars that we printed 45 times, then printed a space. Then the input from the user, we took floats just in case the user might enter decimal number. So you enter the distance, and then conversion to miles is kilometer times 0.621. And then we print this dash line 35 times, and then we printed the kilometers. The miles is the miles. Or we use the other printing, other method, the F-string method, to print out our conversion. So if you looked at the blog, the exercise is there, and the solution also. But this is I just pasted the solution here, so we don't need to type it all over again. So this is what I did to modify that previous one. So I changed the heading to a program to convert kilometers to miles or miles to kilometers. Then I increased the length of the stars to 65 this time around. Then printed the space. So I now changed our input. I call it dist, just maybe distance. So the input now is it asks user to enter distance. Okay, not distance in kilometers now. Let me just change this. Enter distance. So then after entering the distance, then it asks the user input K if it's kilometers, or input M if it's miles we're talking about. So I now said, using the if statement, if km mi dot lower. So it's possible the user might enter an uppercase letter. So, but whatever they enter, if it's an uppercase K, so it's just reduce it, make it a lowercase. So if that is equal to K, then print distance in kilometers, and then you do the conversion. So distance times 0.621 miles. Else, if the entered M, if the distance entered is equal to M, then the conversion will be to kilometers. So the distance divided by 0.621. Then lastly, I said else. If he enters another value apart from K or M, so you just print wrong input, enter either K or M for distance. So this is just my method. So I just modified the same code that we had from part 1. As you can see here, the remaining part of the code I just commented out because I don't need it anymore because I've written this one here. So this is the solution. So if it is, you can compare and see if you get the same thing with me. If there are any questions, please leave them in the comments and I'll try to answer them as much as I can. Thank you very much.